How to replace a whole body ROVE massage mechanism. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, power drill, wire cutter, zip ties, and a short hose, which comes with the massage mechanism. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the back cover to the chair, then remove the cover. Now, use a wire cutter to remove the 3 zip ties that secure the massage mechanism harness to the chair frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the 2 ground wires to the chair. Disconnect the massage mechanism connector. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the right-hand metal plate to the massage mechanism track, then remove the plate. Now remove the left-hand metal plate. To manually move the massage mechanism, attach one end of the provided hose to a power drill and the other end to the top of the rolling motor. Turn the hose counterclockwise to move the mechanism slowly down the track until the upper rollers clear the track. Now, turn the hose clockwise to move the mechanism slowly up the track until the lower rollers clear the track. Be sure to support the mechanism with one hand so it does not fall when the lower rollers clear the track. Remove the mechanism from the chair. To install the new mechanism, install the lower rollers into the track, then lower them into position. Using the power drill and hose, turn the hose counterclockwise to lower the mechanism until the upper rollers are aligned with the gap in the track. Install the upper rollers into the track, then continue to lower the mechanism until the rollers are secure in the track. Now, place the right-hand metal bracket into position with the grease facing the track, then replace the 3 screws to secure it. Replace the left-hand bracket. Next, place the massage mechanism harness inside the chair frame. Insert the ground wire screw through both ground wire loops and the loose washer, install it into the hole in the chair frame, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure it. Then, connect the connectors. Install a new zip tie through each of the 3 holes in the chair frame to secure the cable harness to the frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Now install the back cover tabs into the corresponding slots on the chair, then strike both upper corners to ensure that it is fully engaged. Replace the 4 screws and washers to secure the cover to the chair. If the screws are different lengths, use the longer screws on the lower holes. You may need to adjust the lower cover to properly align the screw holes. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.